Mother's Day. Guess what we're gonna do for Mother's Day? We're gonna go find all those female bass out there and say thank you for spreading them babies, big babies that get so big and we can catch them and post them on Instagram. Thank you, baby bass mamas. Fish? Oh my God, it's a fish! Alright, hope you like my Mother's Day fishing event, and looking forward to getting out with all of y'all. So if anybody wants to fish here in Virginia, if you're in Virginia, you want to link up, or hey, if you're in North Carolina or nearby and you want to link up, drop me a PM and let's do it. Go out to meet new folks, new areas. I like getting out and fishing, saltwater and freshwater. So not just freshwater, I don't just do bass fishing. Right now it seems like it, but it's not. I'll do anything. Y'all just give me a hit up. So alright, real quick, I'm not down just for about anything, but almost anything fish